So here we are, arriving at Walmart. Okay, so guys, I'm now here in Walmart, and just from the last recording alone, I'm learning not to talk with the mask on because the recording's not picking it up. So here I am. I just located the and heaven's light shine down upon us. The nail aisle. So for starters, let's see. I like to look for all the interesting stuff first. Oh, so there is the crystal nail stamping kit that I did the video on. And look, wait a minute. I think I said it was $9.99, unless this is sale price. Unless it's a sale price. There is the liquid latex. There is the nail stamping kit. Here is an additional stamping plate. And actually, this plate is one of the plates that came in my original one. So that's there. Is there anything else? Well, you know, they do have like, oh, there's like those nail clips, the soak off clips, $3.97. And they do have like nail stickers. I don't know, I can't seem to get those to work very well. I think a lot of people experience the same thing. If you do, let me know in the comments. But these are catching my eye right now. I don't know, you can't quite see very well in the camera, but they're so colorful and sparkly and real pretty. Sometimes when I see this stuff, I say to myself, you know good and well you could do that at home. So that's that. Oh, interesting. Here's some vegan and cruelty-free polishes. What brand is this? LBK. LBK. Nice colors. And I'm trying to put it back in the rack. So a quick color over 8. And then the next ones are by Sally Hansen, called Pure. So that's got to be a new line. I mean, at least new to me. I've never seen it. Is there anything on the next rack? Here's one. It's called Watercolors, and they're pretty comparable by price. The first ones, the LBKs, are $7.47. The Sally Hansen's are $6.72, and the Watercolors are $6.72. So you know, Walmart carries LA Colors. The LA Colors. Look, the rack is empty. People must be getting their. Oh, I can't talk through this mask. People must be like getting up on that whole dollar store polish. But you know what? LA Colors, you get it at the dollar store, at Dollar Tree. Now, the only difference, though, is getting it at Dollar Tree. You're not going to have as many of the colors and the type of colors, because they have different collections, too, like these half gel collections. You've seen this in one of my videos. And then, like, the unicorn ones. You're not necessarily going to see those at Dollar Tree. So if you see these at Walmart, the LA Colors, you're going to be paying $1.98 for them, $2. Now the typical ones you find at the dollar store, like those, you'll see for 98 cents. Oh, this is a real pretty plum color. I don't know if I have this, but I got so many colors. I'm not going to get any more. I'm out of rack space. Then they have these These are LA colors. So the other polishes that I get by LA Colors are these right here. And they're called Color Last. I have quite a few of those. So I'll do a set soon with a set of those. Or one of these polishes. So now we're in the press-on section, guys. I know that we're in the press-on section, and there's the Kiss, and Kiss has these. No, these are LA Colors. The Nail Vibes. Look at that ombre. Here's a set of pink. It's kind of cute. Then they have nail frills. Oh, I didn't know these were by Sinful Colors. Sinful Colors Claws. Look at the orange and green camouflage one. That's really cute. Really cute. Sinful Colors, guys. And then Salon Perfect has these nudes. And these are like only $5.98. $5.98. These Simple Color Claws and the LA Colors are only $3.98. So they're pretty reasonable, right? Then for the working lengths, Salon Perfect. Yeah, they're marble. I can make those. We can make those, right? Sisters, we can make these. So, you know what? Kiss actually has a real cute collection to me. Here's a working length, I think, stiletto, but oh my gosh. And these are only $5.97, guys. There's the price right there. Oh my gosh, that electric blue. Okay, I got a confession to make. I already got these. So, you know what? I do buy these. Look. Okay, I might have to just get these just to have in my drawer. Because these are quick put-ons. These are quick, like, you know, press-ons. When I'm like, or either to carry, like, out of town, or on a trip, or I'm in a rush. So, I just wanted to bring you on a visit with me to Walmart. So, let's take a look at a couple of kits. Here's some kits. Serendipity. And it's a French ombre kit. It's a dipping kit. Oh, look at me over here. Serendipity. And it's a French ombre dipping kit for $19.96. Here is Kisses. I think Evie did these. Salon Dip Color System. There's a lot here. There's just a lot here. There's acrylic powders and acrylic stuff. So there you have it, guys. Typically everything else I probably would find either at AliExpress or Amazon. Yeah, typically I would find at AliExpress or Amazon. Oh, let me just show you another one of my real favorite polishes. Is always Sally Hansen, because you know Sally Hansen is real good and known for strengtheners. $2.97, guys. You can't go wrong. $2.97. No, is that, yeah, Sally Hansen. And then the hardest nails colors are $1.97. So you can't, I think it's at the wrong angle. Here they go. You can't go wrong. And they have just as much of an array of colors as all the other brands. So that was my trip to Walmart with you guys. You know what was really cool about being in the store today? A couple of the, I was going to say a lot of the employee, but some of the employee were in the aisle with me. One of them was like kind of stocking or whatever. And I was like, you're probably wondering, what am I doing? And she said, no, you're good. So I thought that was really nice. So thank you, Walmart employees. I almost forgot, guys. I was going to walk out. You know, you'll find typically the Sinful Color somewhere down at the end of the aisle. somewhere down at the end of the aisle. And you know what's catching my eye right away? I turned away to the camera and lost it. Matte finish. Matte finish. Matte finish, guys. Let me see if there's any more. I mean, I got matte finish, guys. I'm trying to find if there's any more. I think I got it. I'm digging. Matte finish, guys. I think that pretty much comes close to all of the ones that I have, with the exception of, is that it? Is that it? No. The matte finish top coat. So guess what, guys? Somebody is, oh, here they are. Right there. Red. Matte finish. I think that's all the colors, maybe. But somebody's going to get this in a giveaway. I mean, I know it's Walmart and people may think like, oh, we can go get that ourselves, but not true, because you're not going to always find them. Each store I've been to, or each store that I visit, doesn't always have the same things. So there you have it, guys. Shopping at Walmart. I'm still trying to dig and find a matte finish top coat for you. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? What is this? What is this? What is this? Matte finish top coat. And it's going in a cart with all of my veggies, my veggie meals. Okay, so me and my brother decided to have lunch today, and we are arriving at one of our favorite spots. Hi. Are we able? Yeah, we are able to dine in, huh? Oh, great. Oh, I'm so excited now. We're going to have a supper. How are you today? Okay, good. So for starters, hi. These are the veggies that they bring for you to put into your pho. Pho is a noodle soup. It's served to you piping hot. We ordered 2 sliced beef phos, and you'll see that when it comes out. And then you start adding these vegetables. So this is what it looks like, guys. Yum. And then you just take the vegetables. These mint leaves, I usually don't put that in mine. I usually put bean sprouts, and I squeeze some lime. I asked him for some extra cilantro, so that's what you're seeing there. So doesn't it look good? Oh, and I know it's a warm summer day, but still, we're in here. There's some air in here, and this is just something I love to eat. I'm gonna go because I'm spilling it all over the table, trying to keep my eye in the camera as well. So we'll be eating.